Okay, guys. So it is good that we have reviewed the list of activity. To be honest, as Maher has mentioned, that we are not much worried about construction versus construction because this matrix we have developed with, TR. They have to follow the, all the restrictions accordingly. I am more worried about drilling and well operation activity. We'll discuss in detail, but quickly I will go for, construction so that we have good information. For site survey, I think we have put all, allowed and some restrictions because you cannot do the survey when the lifting work is there and when the hot work and other critical confined work is there. Functional test, I'm putting R because you are maybe having some electrocution, some chance of some electric shock. So I'm putting some restriction. This is only for construction, no need to worry for drilling. Pre-commissioning and commissioning, because this may have some hydrocarbon something. I want to put some restriction here so that construction people do not have the liberty to do any job. We'll put R. As you mentioned that we are going to discuss, we don't have the grid blasting, pen touch-up and all this thing, but I have put R intentionally because we cannot simply allow on the simple generic method statement or generic risk assessment. It has to be specific when we have these CMOPs. Excavation job, you have dewatering and site collapse, piling work. This has got the restrictions as we discussed, R6, as we have discussed here. This is R6. This has got many risks there. This has to be separate activity and separate method statement, separate work permit, separate TRA should be prepared for this activity. Piling job is a critical activity. This is again construction to construction. I have put R because piling has got vibration and noise and site collapse of excavation. We'll put R6. Foundation work again have the good, the same thing, insulation, concrete putting and edge collapse, excavation collapse, maybe cave-in. So I don't want to allow simply to the contractor. This has to be R and this has to be followed by this discussion with the construction team. Underground installation, since this is the brown green field, but you may have some damage to the underground services in the construction phase. So I'm putting R7. R7 we are putting is underground services. We have to do underground detection service. You have to make some well. We have to do some excavation activity by hand. If you have some underground services where you are going to do the excavation activity. Backfilling compaction, it has got noise and some site collapse. I am putting it R, and this is acceptable to the construction people because we cannot simply rely upon the permit work. Diesel filling dispensing, it has got a chemical, it has the pool fire situation. I am putting R8. R8 means this is fire. Fire and explosion can happen. So we have to have suitable control when you are having diesel storage, when you are going to have dispensation, you have some dispense, you have got some handling of the diesel. Where are we? Yes, yeah. This module transportation is very critical. I am putting R2